Welcome everyone to the Traders Market Intelligence Report brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. This update is for Monday, the 18th of September, 2023. Hope you had a good trading day today. Man, it was an interesting one. I want to jump in. I cannot wait. But first, as we get started, keep in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing is meant to be advice or recommendation. If you find something you like, make sure that it fits your own personal risk before ever taking on that trade, that setup, or that indicator. All right, so with that, let's jump in. And here's the S&P 500. And we were doing okay. We had this nice move to the upside. We had this pullback, very well needed. We came back up, put in a lower high, but I was good because we put in a higher low. So I'm like, all right, I am not that upset by this. You know, as long as we maintain, we've got a wedge formation happening in there. We were a little bit deep into the cone of that wedge already. And today we came crashing through. And where did we go? Through the wedge, through the 8, through the 21, and right to the 0 line. Right to that 44.48 half level. We've got about 3 or 4 minutes left till the market closes. We're sitting right at that line. We look at an intraday chart of today. It's just been just all day, boom, 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 down. It's just been straight down, gap and go today. Right? And when we look at our, bigger picture, we look at the monthly, we're still doing okay on the monthly. We're in that uptrend still, that secondary line, that new bottom line in here of what we've got. But it's not looking real strong, not at all. We've got a black line, a dark, thick black line there. That is the 41.81. We're getting close. We're seriously getting close. We look at a weekly chart, it's not looking good overall. Right? It's great that we maintained above the 0.236 level. We still have a higher low right now, but we had a high, a lower high, about the same high, closing, lower than we did for the week, right? Assuming we, in the next 2.5 minutes, we stay about where we are. We go back and look at the daily chart, and let's kind of bring it in a little bit there. What am I looking for, right? Well, I'm looking to see if we're going to get a bounce from here or we're going to fail. If we fail our recent swing low, that's the target. Right now, that is our first line of defense from where we sit at this moment. Looks like 44.30.46. Let's see if I can do it without messing it up. Nope, not there. Let's see. Nope, not there. Come on, baby. Let me have it. Nope, not there. I'm going to turn off the 55 moving average. Let's see if that helps any. There we go, a little bit. All right. We'll go back and put the 55 back on. 55 EMA. Check, please. Thank you. Okay, perfect. So right now, that 44.30.46, that is the key level. If we break through the 55, I'm not too concerned with that. 55 is never my strong point. It is more for bias for me. But that 44.30.46, that's an important level. And look at this. If we're talking another day or two, we run right into this next uptrend line right in here, right, which goes back a ways. All right, okay. It's actually a duplicate of what this line is. So whatever the distance between these two lines, this is equal distant line to give us another lower level in there. So if we violate through there and push through that level, lots of concern. When we look at the VIX today, right, VIX, whoo, big gap up, baby. $1.11. We were at 12 and change yesterday. I think it was 12.82. What was the close? Close was 12.82 yesterday. Right now we're at 13.93. So it's not like we've got a horrible, the VIX is crazy now. No, the VIX is fine. But when we got that low on the VIX and that gap up, it is not boding well overall for the market. So we got to see where it all lands next week. There's a lot of economic reports, and every one of them, people are hanging on with bated breath, just waiting to see what that report is going to bring, right? So wait on those reports. Make sure you know what's going on before you take on that risk. Do not get caught on the wrong side. All right, let me bring this back up here. All right, so keep in mind that we've got a lot of great content that we put out there. So make sure you're checking out the latest and greatest of the things we put out there. Go over to tradinglikeaboss.com where we have all of our free content posted there. With that, make it a profitable day. Stay focused on the quest to becoming a great trader. Keep crushing it. And remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, everybody. I will see you at our next update. Bye for now.